Sarvāṅgāsana, the shoulder stand. Lie down in Shavasana. Bring both your feet together and keep your hands beside your body. While breathing in, gradually lift both your feet up, making a 90-degree angle with the floor. Press your palms against the ground and lift your hips up. Now, support your middle back with the help of your palms, your thumbs pointing out. Stretch your body up and align your heels, hips, and shoulders in a straight line, perpendicular to the floor, with your chin pressing your chest. Maintain normal breathing. Rest your entire body weight on your shoulders. To return to the initial position, as you breathe out, lower your feet over your head, bending from the hip joint. Place your hands on the floor with your palms facing down. Now, gently place your back on the floor, followed by your legs, and relax. Sarvāṅgāsana improves and balances the blood circulation in the body. It increases the blood circulation to the brain and stimulates the nerves passing through the brain, thus reducing stress and anxiety. This asana strengthens abdominal, spinal, and shoulder muscles and is beneficial for the endocrine, reproductive, respiratory, digestive, and nervous systems. The chin lock stimulates the thyroid gland and regulates its functioning, and proves to be useful for those with thyroid disorders.